Got him. Oh, that was sick. All right, guys. We're trying to came to the spot. We got everything set up. Kayaks are rigged. Both of them are rigged. Trying just fishing. What are we starting with?
The plopper.
As you can see, it's just a little like lake. Probably should just be called a pond, but yeah, we're fishing top waters in the morning, and then we're gonna move to creature baits as it gets warmer throughout the day. All right, we'll get out there and start hopefully hammering some big ones. My goal is a 4 for the day, so I'll see if I can get one. I'll keep recording and keep you guys updated. Alrighty, boys, I'm starting off with a buzzbait. I actually had luck here on a buzzbait last time we fished here, so hopefully I'll get some more bites. There's Huge on his paddleboard. I'm just kidding. He has a kayak.
Hopefully we get some fish. Come on. There's some big fish in here. Sorry for the noise. There's a big road right here.
Hopefully we get some blow-ups. We'll see. It's looking real juice though, yeah? It's looking real good. Square bills. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, hold on. Baby, come here. Dink master. Maybe it's early in the morning and all the dinks come out.
Big mama.
You like that?
How?
Quick update, guys. You just catching biggins on a whopper plopper.
Look at this. Whopper plopper? Fish I catch. Stop. Look at this, bro. Let's put her right here.
Gone.
Like how?
Catching minnows. Hey, I might have to take that. Oh, there's a fish. Check this. Bang! Stuck him. Biggin. Oh, yeah. Solid. Stuck him. Is he gonna snap my rod? What's going on? I'm doubled up with Huge. Huge, I got a decent one. Decent. First biggin.
Me too.
Come here, buddy. You freaking crushed it. Got him. Dang. That is solid.
Yeah. I caught mine. Mine's probably the same size as yours.
I need my pliers.
That's like 3 blow-ups for last.
Solid bass. Maybe 2. 2. Anyways, let's let him go. Thank you, buddy. Good fight. That guy fought hard.
Oh, bro, you got me all wet. Not a bad little chunk.
What's happening here?
Plopper.
How's it going?
It was pretty slow the last pass around this little lake.
Yeah, it's been a little slow lately, but we're doing really good.
Not as good as when did we go last week?
Yeah. Sorry about you, just toes. They're everywhere.
Yeah, they're gonna be in all the videos. Look at my hand. Looks like I've been swimming for 3 days. My big cast. Look at that. You see that?
Yeah, I have that too. Anyways, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it gets a little better. I'm still chasing a 4. I want a 4 today.
We need a 3 first.
Yeah, we need a 3 first. Anyway. Yeah, he does. There's a fish. Watch.
It's a big one. Hey, a fish is a fish, you know.
But you see, I called it before I set the hook. That's how I know I got one. Always call your fish before you set the hook. Buddy, don't splash me. I got camera gear.
I thought it was gonna be hot today. It's not even
Bang,
hot.
bang, bang, bang. Once again, walleyes in bed. I mean, even when it records on the 5
I just need a
minute,
battery pack.
it keeps running, yeah.
The battery pack would be better.
Got him.
On the jig? Good fish?
So much weed. Oh. Come here, buddy. Dude, look at this, bro. Are you kidding me? The whole cabbage patch. Let's look at this fish.
It came with the salad.
Sir, can I get some bass with that salad? Look at that. Look how tiny it is.
Fish salad.
Dude, he freaking hammered it, though. Just a little guy letting go. Alrighty, guys, just a little update. We've been fishing for probably about an hour and a half, right?
Yeah.
We've caught like over 5 fish. I've got a couple
The
myself.
last 15 minutes, around 5 fish on this bait right here. Working it like a regular popper.
Look at that. Solid. We're catching 2s regularly.
Beautiful. Let's get a release on this.
Yeah, get a release on them.
Come on.
All right,
Thank you for getting me wet, bro.
You want to give me your whopper plopper?
Yeah, I got you.
He's gonna give me a. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. We'll try to catch some more. Hopefully, we'll get on some bigger ones. Yeah, I'm gonna try the little black whopper plopper. Yeah, thank me for that, dude. You know how long it takes? I know. Got him. Oh, that was sick. That was sick. It's big too. I pitched it right in this little hole and he slammed it, dude. So sick. Decent. Very decent. I'm sitting down. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. This is a big fish. This is my biggest of the day. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Holy moly, dude. That's a big fish. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. You're gonna have to help me. Huh?
Over 3?
Yeah.
I'm coming.
I can't. Frick. He's stuck in the weeds, bro. Help me.
I got him.
Come here. He's pinned. I got him. Whoa! Dude, let's go.
Fish. That's a good fish. Biggest of the day for sure.
Dude, that's a solid. That is a big fish. That feels good. I just struck a big and I was flipping these little weed lines and I felt he had just pitched him and he slammed it. Look at that. Bang. Thick
On
jig.
a jig.
From Guggen Baits. Look at that fish, guys. That is a solid. I'm gonna
Let's get a weight on him.
Yeah.
What are you guessing?
Shoot, man. I don't know.
Dude, that head on it, bro, is massive.
Oh shoot.
It's a little skinny for its size. Could have been a 5-pounder in the spring.
Get him away. Oh, dude, that is solid, bro. I'm telling you. I was telling you, like, you're gonna get some solids on the thick jig. Let's give him a weight. Ooh!
What?
Look at that. 3.93, almost 4.
It's exactly the same fish I caught last time.
Hold on, I'm gonna give it another weight. Well, this weighs a little bit, but
Still
it's a 4 basically.
3.9. That's a really good fish.
Almost a 4.
For Minnesota, that's like almost a
Look
record.
at that fish, guys.
No, I'm
This is
joking.
what I've been
It's not a
chasing
record.
all day. Look at the size of that fish. That's what I'm talking about. 4 I was looking for, guys. Almost 4.
3.9.
3.9. Look at that big one. Let's take one last final look at him, let him go. Thank you, buddy. Come here. Oh, baby. All day been chasing it. Let's go. That's awesome. We've been catching like some medium-sized fish, some small ones, and that just feels good. I just pitched it in right a little hole in the weeds and just freaking stuck him.
Stuck him.
Freaking stuck him. Let's get some more, Huge.
Let's get some more.